Welcome. In front of me I have SUUNTO Run watch and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this device. To turn off this watch we need to first open the settings, and to do that press the crown button to wake up the screen, then press and hold the crown button to open the settings. Now scroll through the settings and look for the option called General and tap on it. Then scroll down, look for the option called Power Off and select it. And finally press the upper button to confirm and turn off your watch. And wait until the watch is done turning off. It takes about, 2 seconds maybe. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.